everybody, welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys the CVS haul. Now, I think I did awesome. It came out to be a super awesome deal. My mom and my son were with me, so I was trying to like let them do their own thing, and then I come like, I'm on a mission, I'm on a mission, I'm on a mission. So I'm here to show you guys what I did. Now, I do have two cards. I have an older one and I have a newer one. My older one I wasn't getting as good coupons, so I decided to get a newer one, and then my older one was actually getting good coupons for a while, and now it's back to the newer ones doing better. So it fluctuates, but I like to do these deals, and I'm here to show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Arnicare gel. These were $7.99 on sale. My store had a lot of stuff that was not marked, but these were $7.99 on sale. I used a $3 off coupon that you guys could print off the Arnicare gel website. Otherwise, we will be getting, or you guys probably already have, I haven't got my coupons yet, $3 coupons from the newspaper that we get today. You guys would just pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3, you guys will end up getting $3 back ECB, plus you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So I got that deal. Now I did do two cards, so I'll show you guys my first card first, which is my newer one. I ended up getting the Palmolive dish soap. This was 99 cents. I used that 50% off app coupon that was on the app. And then I ended up getting the Lady Speed Stick. I only had one coupon so far because I get my coupons on Mondays. These were $2.50 each, so $2.50. I used that buy one get one free coupon. And then I ended up getting Irish Spring, which I got that $1 off coupon. So all four of these items, you guys use those together with those coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for all four of these. But then you guys can submit, or you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making it just 98 cents or 25 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal for that stuff. I know if you guys use two of those coupons, you guys can get these for free, but like I said, I only had one. But I'll probably go back and do the deal again because I have my other card that I didn't use it for. I did the Maybelline deal. Now, my store is super low on Maybelline eyeshadow. I asked if they're getting any more in, but he said they're going to like change the whole wall. So I don't know what's going on, but they're very little on these. So these were $3.99. I used two $1 off coupons from the Red Plum from 1/7. You guys would end up paying $5.98 for this, but then you get a $5 ECB back, making this just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. Now, I ended up getting the Right Guard. Now, I used the buy two get one free coupon, and my store did take off. I don't know how much they took off, but I think they took off the $3. I can't remember, or $3.7. I'm not sure. But you guys want to buy three of these. You guys would end up paying $6 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 back ECB, making these just $2. But then there's also a deal on Save & Star if you guys haven't submitted it from Walgreens. You guys will get $4.99 back when you buy three of them, making these $2.99 moneymaker, which I think is an awesome deal if you guys can do that deal. I had a free like 8-ounce Sensodyne coupon, so I just got that absolutely free. And then the Hershey, I didn't take a picture of this because most of you guys know what that coupon looks like, but these were buy one get one free. I used that buy one get one free coupon, so these were absolutely both for free with that coupon. Now, I had a ton of personalized CRTs for face cleanser moisturizer, and then I'm like, okay, what can I get? And then I'm like, I'll get some Garnier Garnier stuff, because I had those $2 and $3 coupons. So I ended up getting these Garnier Skin Active. My store didn't have them priced, so I had to go price check them, but these rang out as $8.99 each. And then I ended up getting 2 face masks. I got the pomegranate one, and then I got a lavender one. So, and these were $2.99. I had a personalized CRT for $22 off, for $5 off of $22, and then I also had a 40% off, which took off $7.59 for all 4 of these. And then my coupon didn't work for the face mask, so I ended up just using 2 $2 off coupons. So I ended up getting all 4 of these items for $7.37. I didn't know it that I was just I didn't know I was supposed to get a $5 ECB back, so I ended up getting a $5 ECB back, making it $2.37 for the 4 of these. So can't go wrong with that stuff. So that was my one transaction. That came to 2 cents for all that stuff. I ended up paying with $31 of ECBs, but I ended up receiving $22 back. And then I submitted for, I bought it, so I got $2 back with that. So that came to $7.02 for all that stuff, which is a pretty decent deal. And I totally forgot to add the savings star, so that would have been another $5. So that was actually $2.02 for all that stuff. So that's a awesome deal. And then with my other card, I ended up buying the Revlon eyeshadow. This was $7.99, and then the mascara was $9.29. I used that buy one get one free coupon that we just got in today's inserts. Plus I had a 3 off of Revlon CRT, and I also had a 3 off of 15 makeup. So I ended up paying $1.99 for both of these, but then I got $5 back in an ECB, making these $3.01 moneymaker. So that was awesome. My mom was with me. She saw this, so she just wanted this Hawaiian punch thing, so I gotta remember to give that to her. And then I got the Boost deal. I've never done the Boost anymore. I've never tried these. I don't know how good they are. I'm willing to try it because I do need, you know, my nutritional stuff, and I'm trying to like eat right, and I don't know. I'm pretty excited just to try this. So I ended up getting 2 of the chocolates, and I got 2 of the vanillas. These were $6.99. I used 2 $7 off of 2 coupons that was in the inserts from like 2 weeks ago. I paid $13.96 for all 4 of them. But then you guys get a $10 ECB back, making them $3.96 or just 99 cents a piece, which I think is an awesome deal, you know. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I mean, if you guys try this, let me know how it goes. I'm gonna try it, and if I don't like it, I can give it to people. But I mean, there's a lot of nutrients in it. So, you know, why not try something like that? And then I got more of that Garnier Skin Active stuff. I was just trying to figure out what I could use with these. So these were, again, $8.99. Okay, so I bought 2 of them. I actually had 2 $7 off of 2 CRTs, and they both worked. I also had a $4 off of 15 facial coupon CRT, and then I used 2 $2 off coupons that we got from the 1-7 Red Plum. So this ended up already becoming a $4.02 moneymaker, but then like I said, I didn't know we were getting that $5 ECB back. So this ends up becoming a $9.02 moneymaker. Like, this is $9. Just, I made $9 just by buying those. I think that is a super awesome deal. So there was that. And That was my old card. It ended up being 34 cents for all that stuff. I used $15 of ECBs, but then I received $20 back. So it ended up becoming a $4.66 moneymaker, which I think is awesome. If you guys add all or both transactions together, it came to $2.34 for everything. I got 26 items, which actually comes out to be just 9 cents a piece, which I think is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm pretty excited with all the stuff that I got, and I'm finally getting stuff that I've never drank before. So I'm excited to try these and see how good they are, because they've been going on sale like crazy lately, so I'm excited to try those. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. I hate to say this, and I say this all the time, but I probably might go back because I really want to get more of the Lady Speed Stick deodorant. And maybe if I try Boost, I might get one with my other card for that. So there is that, and I will see you guys all another time. See ya! Bye-bye.